Yeah.
Oh.
Learning materials and branding, okay? See? On there?
Yep.
When it's finished, we could all get a quick meal. Restaurant-style meal, if you wanted. See?
With you?
Yeah.
Because of the way you look?
The way I
Yeah, all sort of lumpy and red raw.
I don't think
Is it
that's...
because you look like a bit of a bigger animal that fell off or was removed and then came to life?
That's actually...
What?
About it? No. And do you know why that doesn't bother me? Because I have something... a restaurant-style meal. You guys. With me. Okay.
Oh.
Wait, what are you doing? I'll see you later, guys.